So before we get started, not sure about you guys, but I've had a heavy heart all week and weekend, and so I decided to write about it because it helps me feel better. It helps me think it through and process it, and it definitely helps me to feel better. So I put out a blog last night on how we can use yoga to help combat grief, and basically I shared a gentle routine on how to help to heal your heart. So if anybody's feeling any type of grief, go ahead and check that out. It's everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, WordPress, Shauna Simone Yoga. All right, it's 12:39, so let's get comfortable on the mat. Take a big deep inhale, pull the shoulders up to the ears. On the exhale, roll them back and down. Hello, welcome everybody. Time to get started. So today I'd like to teach you the Ujjayi breath. So this breath is amazing. Some people refer to it as the ocean breath because it kind of sounds like the ocean. Some people refer to it as the breath of fire because it heats us up on the outside, but it cools us down on the outside. What did I just say? It heats us up on the inside, but it cools us down on the outside. So the next time somebody cuts you off in traffic, you could do this. The next time you have a big presentation, if you're nervous or excited, you could try this. If you have an exam coming up and you need to settle down, you can try this. And it's been saving my life for the past few years, so I want to teach it to you. So put your hand in front of your face and open your mouth. I want you to suck in as much air as possible. Send it through to the back of your throat. Send it down to your diaphragm. Hold it. And then send that breath up and out. So let's do it a couple times and feel the breath on the hand. So let's go. Inhale. Belly expands. Exhale. You felt that breath on the hand? All right, let's do it one more time. So on the inhale, the belly expands, and on the exhale, draw the navel in. So let's suck in. Inhale. Exhale. That's a Ujjayi breath, except you're going to do it with your mouth closed. So let's do that again, except with the mouth closed. So breathe in through the nostrils. Suck in through the back of the throat. Send the breath down to the diaphragm. Hold it. Exhale. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's amazing. It sounds like the ocean. So just focus on that for the remainder of today's practice, and remember that the next time you might be feeling anxious or nervous or angry. Like I said, it's been saving my life for the past few years. So let's bring the fingers into chin mudra. So your index finger touches your thumb. Place the hands on the knees, palms up. Close the eyes if you'd like. And just start to let go of your day. Let's inhale, shrug the shoulders. Exhale, round the shoulders back and down. Pull the shoulders away from the ears. Relax the jaw. Relax the brow. Let go of your to-do lists and focus on you for these next 30 minutes. Thank you for taking the time to feed your mind, your body, and your spirit. Big deep inhale through the nose, belly expands. Hold the breath. Exhale either through the nose or the mouth. Draw the navel in, relax the shoulders with every exhalation. Inhale, belly expands. Hold the breath. Exhale, relax. 2 more yogis. Inhale. Hold. Exhale, let go. Last one. Inhale, love. Hold, have it go all around you. And let's exhale, love to the world. Nice job, guys. Bring the hands to prayer. Start to rub, create some friction, some energy. Friction, not fiction, friction. Energy. Warm them up. Let's inhale, place the hands over the closed eyes. And on the exhale, start to drag your hands down your face, spreading your fingers wide, opening your eyes, reintroducing the light back into your body. Nice. Hands come onto your kneecaps and organically start to move any direction, any pace. Breathe. Give me a fake smile here, or give me a real one. Let's reverse the direction as we start to warm up the body for today's practice. Come into an upright seated position. You're either in half lotus or full lotus. Inhale, both arms up. Draw the shoulders away from the ears. Energy through the fingers. Exhale, right hand, left knee, left hand behind the back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, turn and twist everything to the left. Keep the eyes open, the body will follow. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, turn and twist further to the left. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, turn and twist. Try to look all the way behind you if you can. Slowly come back to center. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, paint the wall, fold forward. Breathe. Start to massage your third eye, asking for discernment and awareness. Let's inhale, look out, walk the fingertips just an inch further. Exhale, melt into the floor. Using this time to set an intention for your practice. What would you like to invite more of into your life? I'm going to go for peace today. I think the world needs it. Let's inhale, pick up the torso, walk the hands back. You're in an upright seated position. Inhale, both arms up, yogis. Energy through the fingers. Exhale, left hand, right knee, right hand behind the back. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist and turn to the right. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, turn and twist further to the right. Inhale, lengthen. Turn and twist. Try to look all the way behind you if you can. Slowly come back to center. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, paint the wall, forward fold. Wherever you land is perfect. Coming back to your intention that you set for today's practice. Peace, peace, peace. Inhale, look out, walk the fingertips just an inch further. Exhale, melt into the floor. Breathe. Slowly walk the fingertips back. You're in an upright seated position. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, start to slide down your left arm. Try to bring your left elbow to the mat if you can. Exhale, turn and twist, look up. Give yourself a sniff test. I smell all right. Breathe. Opening up the right side body. 2 more breaths here. Slowly come back to center. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, start to slide down that right arm. Try to bring the right elbow to the mat if you can. Let's inhale together. On the exhale, twist and turn, look up. Sniff test on the left. Is it possible for one arm to smell but not the other? I don't know, just joking. Breathe. One more breath here. Slowly come back to center. Nice job, guys. Roll over those knees, come into tabletop. Hands are directly under your shoulders. Fingers spread wide to evenly distribute the weight, not put too much pressure on your wrists. Knees are directly under your hips. If you're not sure what your hip distance is, sit back, put two fists. That's your internal hip distance. Your feet disappear behind you. Getting ready for cat-cows. Let's inhale, tuck the toes, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, round, chin to chest, push away at the floor, hunch, 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 push. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, round, chin to chest, push. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. 3 more at your own pace. If you do this posture every day, you never have to see a chiropractor. As you're working every vertebrae in your body. When you're ready, we all meet in neutral tabletop. Inhale, right hand out like you're about to shake somebody's hand. Exhale, sit back on the heel, drag the hand up and around. Body follows your hand. Gaze follow your right thumb. Breathe. Try to synchronize the movement with the breath with the movement. Reverse. Inhale, right arm up, yogis. Open up that right shoulder. Reach, reach. Exhale, thread the needle. Bring the right shoulder to the mat, right ear to the mat. Yogi's choice here. You could stay right here and breathe. Only if you want more, inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bind it behind the back. Try to grab your right thigh. Stay here. If you want more, inhale together. Exhale, extend the left leg to the sky. So let's just talk about yogi toes. If you're in this posture, you want to point your foot and keep your foot pointed, but then flex your toes. This is going to help stabilize you. Breathe. 2 more breaths here. And slowly release, unravel from wherever you are. Reach your left hand in front of the face. Use it to push up. Reach that right arm up for a counter stretch, stretch, stretch. Dancing lions. This is a big elliptical movement. In this posture, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Do whatever feels good to you. I simply invite you to close your eyes and slow it down. Reverse the direction. Let's reposition the hands directly under the shoulders. Make sure your knees are hips distance apart, feet disappear behind you. Inhale, left hand out. Exhale, sit back, drag it back, up and around. Breathe. So your body is following your hand, your gaze is following your left thumb. Let's reverse the direction. Remembering to synchronize the movement with the breath with the movement. Reach that left arm up, open up that left shoulder blade, reach, exhale, thread the needle. Left shoulder to the mat, left ear to the mat. Whatever you did on the other side, go ahead and do that here. So just to go over yogi toes again. So yogi toes, your entire foot is pointed, and then you flex just the toes. Breathe. It helps to create some balance. Breathe. One more breath here. Wherever you are, go ahead and unravel. Place the right hand in front of your face. Use it to push up. Reach that left arm up for a counter stretch. Reach, reach, reach. Exhale, dancing lines. Reverse the direction. Go ahead and take a body scan. How are you feeling? Sending the breath to any area that might need some extra love. Breathe. Let's come back to neutral tabletop. Inhale, right hand out like you're about to shake somebody's hand. Exhale, reach that left leg back. Kick through that left heel. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch, elbow to knee. Hold it. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, release the right hand to the mat. Left leg stays extended. Flip your right foot off the mat. Open up for half moon. Kick through that left heel. Energy through your fingers. Pretend as though somebody's trying to pull you to the ceiling. Breathe. Let's release that left hand to the mat. Flip that right foot back. Keep that left leg extended. Sunbird bows. Let's inhale, hover past your hands, hug your elbows in. Exhale, lower the chin to the mat. Inhale, push up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, push up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, push up. Gently lower the left knee to meet the right. Breathe. Other side, yogis. Inhale, right hand out. Exhale, reach that left. Inhale, left hand out. Exhale, reach that right leg back. Breathe. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Hold it, squeeze. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, left hand to the mat. Keep your right leg extended. Flip your left foot off the mat. Open up for half moon. Breathe. Kick through that right heel. Energy through your right hands. Breathe. You're doing great. Let's lower this right hand to the mat. Flip the left foot back. Let's inhale together. Hover the shoulders past your hands. Hug your elbows in. Exhale, lower the chin to the mat. Inhale, push up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, push up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, push up. Exhale, lower the right knee to the mat. Spread the fingers wide, tuck your toes. Inhale together. Exhale, hover the knees off the mat, floating table. Breathe. If you start to sweat, tremble, that's what we want. We're building strength. Breathe. Hold the posture, not the breath. Breathe. Gently lower the knees to the mat. I'm going to do that again. Let's inhale together, tuck the toes. Exhale, hover the knees off the mat. Breathe. Push the glutes back towards the heels, so you kind of look like a crouching tiger. Breathe. I know it burns. Breathe. Send the breath to the thighs. Straighten the legs, come into downward facing dog. Toes are slightly tucked in. Heels are slightly tucked out. You're pressing your chest towards your thighs. Fingers are spread wide. Find stillness or pedal out your feet. Breathe. High on the tippy toes. Send a wave through your body. Come into high plank. Hold it. Wave it back. You're in downward dog. We're here for 5. Breathe. I have some extra sweat going on today. What's up with that? Breathe. High on the toes. Send a wave through your body. Come into high plank. Hold it. Pull the belly in. Wave it back. You're in downward facing dog. Yogis, we're going to walk our feet 1 footprint at a time towards our hands. Yogi's choice, you can walk straight or you can walk crisscross. So have the feet cross each other. This is slow. Try to keep your hands on the mat if you can. Breathe. Once we're at the top of the mat, feet can be together or hip distance, your yogi's choice. Keep a micro bend in the knees to protect your lower back. Grab opposite elbows. Let gravity pull your head towards the mat and gently sway in whatever direction or motion feels comfortable to you. Breathe. We're going to release the arms and ragdoll up 1 vertebrae at a time, tucking the chin into the chest, finding mountain pose, Tadasana, once you're at the top. Breathe. It's flooding over here. I'm sweaty. I hope I don't slip on this mat. All right, guys. Bring the big toes to touch. Leave a bit of a space between your heels. Let's inhale both arms up, interlacing fingers, releasing your index fingers. Breathe. We're going to inhale, reach to the right. Exhale, reach to the left. This is slow, slight movement. We're going to stick it in a bit. Just keep going back and forth. Back and forth. Nice job. We all meet in center. So let's inhale, reach up. Exhale, slowly fold to the right. Gaze is kind of up to the left a little bit. Breathe. My daughter's trying to call me. Not now, Zara. Breathe. Let's slowly come back to center. Nice job. So let's inhale, lift up out of that rib cage. Exhale, fold to the left. Slow. Gaze is kind of up to the right. Breathe. Stay there, yogis. I have to turn. Zara, not now. Okay. Breathe. All right, we're going to come back to center. Exhale, paint the wall. Hinge from the hips, fall all the way forward. Forward fold. Inhale, hands come to your shin, flat back, vocal. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, flat back, vocal. Exhale, let it go. Inhale, flat back, vocal. Exhale, let it go. Hands frame the feet, step, step back. You're in high plank. Breathe. Pull the belly in. Gently lower the knees to the mat. Scoop your chin and chest through. You're in worm. Chin is on the mat. Draw the hands back to line up with your chest. Hug the elbows in. Breathe. Tops of the feet stay on the mat. Slither all the way through. Everything's on the mat. Getting ready for Cobra series. We're going to inhale, pick up the head, pick up the chest. Tops of the feet remain on the mat. Breathe. Exhale, lower everything down. Drag your hands back, one hand print. Inhale, pick up the head, chest, straighten the arms, pick the belly and the thighs off the mat. Breathe. With control, lower everything to the mat. Drag the hands back, one hand print. Inhale, upward dog. Everything's off the mat, including the knees. Breathe. Roll over your toes, come into downward facing dog. We're here for 5 breaths. Breathe. High on your toes. Exhale, drive your heels into your mat. If they touch, great. If they don't, great. Breathe. Either step or jump into yogi squat. Hands come into prayer. Use your elbows to open up your thighs. Start to straighten your spine if you can. Wherever you are is perfect. Wiggle back and forth. Sometimes that brings us a bit of comfort. Breathe. Everything on the mat. Legs straight out in front. Move any extra flesh. Sit up tall. Draw the shoulders away from the ears. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Breathe. Inhale, look out flat back. Exhale, fold deeper. Come back into an upright seated position. Inhale, both arms out in front. Exhale, it's a race for the slowest to the mat. Breathe. Engage your core. Legs up the wall. We're going to be here for 60 seconds, allowing for the natural reverse of your blood flow. Find stillness or talk to your toes. Wiggle them, round out your ankles, whatever you want to do. But right now we're being nice to our feet for carrying us around all day. Breathe. Let's inhale together, pick up the head, torso, walk up your right leg, lower your left leg to the mat. Once you have a good firm grip on your leg, lower your shoulders and your head to the mat. Breathe. We're going to inhale together. Exhale, pull that right leg off to the right, trying to jam your right knee into your right elbow. Pull. You can't break it. Inhale. Exhale, pull further. Inhale. Exhale, pull further. You're all right, I promise you're not going to break it. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, pull that leg towards the floor. And slowly release all the way to meet your left leg. Nice job. Inhale, both legs up the wall. We're here for another 60 seconds. Allowing for the natural reverse of your blood flow. Thank you, feet. All you little bones. My toes, thank you. Breathe. Finding stillness or wiggling your toes, rounding out your ankles, whatever you want to do. All right, yogis, let's inhale, pick up the head, the torso, walk up your left leg, and lower your right leg to the mat. Once you got a good grip on this puppy, lower your head to the mat. Breathe. Let's inhale together. Exhale, pull that leg towards you. Try to jam your left knee into your left armpit. So you're kind of pulling off to the side. Breathe. Inhale together. Exhale, pull that leg closer. Inhale. Exhale, pull that leg closer. We have one more. You're okay, yogis. Inhale. Exhale, pull that leg as close to your head as possible. Breathe and release. Slowly lowering the left leg to the mat for final Shavasana. Allow your legs to flop out, hands to flop out. Relax your jaw, relax your glutes, relax your brow. You are relaxed. Start to rub your fingertips together, wiggle your toes, bring the legs together, point your toes, reach your arms up overhead, stretch, 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 hugging both knees into the belly, grabbing opposite wrists or opposite elbows, gently rocking from side to side, rocking over to your favorite side. Use your arm on the mat as a pillow, coming into fetal posture, which signifies new beginnings. All that really matters is right here, right now. Use your hand to push up into a comfortable seated position. And we will end today's practice with a long God, I look crazy. 3 shantis, which means peace, and a short Inhale, both arms up. Hands come into prayer. Drag your prayer hands to your third eye. Inhale together. Exhale, drag your prayer hands to your throat chakra. Be the truth, know the truth, always speak the truth. Inhale together. Drag your prayer hands to your heart, pressing your thumbs into your chest. Let's inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. Thank you for taking this time to feed your mind, your body, and your spirit. Thank you for allowing me to be your guide. Please take this energy you've created with you for the remainder of the day, the remainder of the week. The light in me recognizes and honors the light in each of you, its truth, its strength, and its beauty. Namaste. Thank you guys. See you next time.